Hello again. In this video we're gonna replace the thermal paste of this Lenovo laptop. The model is Lenovo IdeaPad 330. If I remember correctly, we have to take out the back cover. It should be pretty much a straightforward job, so let's start. According to the customer, the laptop hasn't been opened for the past 2 or 3 years, so we'll see. Yeah, it's a dummy drive. Now let's try and open. I'll try to zoom out a little bit if possible. Okay. We have to open the cover. Yeah, like this. Now, the first thing, of course, we have to disconnect the battery. Now, since this cable is quite hard and we don't want to damage the connector, I'll just remove the screws and I'm gonna pull back the battery. It's a little bit longer process, but it's much safer instead of just ripping off the connector like this. It can save you a lot of troubles. Now let's remove the fan. We have cables here for the Wi-Fi. Actually, the laptop looks quite clean. Yeah, no dust, nothing, which is kind of weird, but let me brush the fan a little bit. Yeah, the grill is clean, pretty much no dust at all. Now we have to clean the CPU. I am using a dry Q-tip, of course, first to get most of the old paste so we don't do a lot of mess on the board. And after that I'm going to use some alcohol. Let me try to zoom a little bit. Yeah. Like this, nice and shiny. And we're going to do the same with the cooler side. As you can see, this piece here is cut, so pretty much we won't put any paste in here. Let's see, do I still have a paste in this, because it's quite empty. I'm using a Arctic MX4, pretty good paste, decent quality. Now let's spread the paste, don't put too much, otherwise next time you'll have more to clean. But if you put less than needed, sorry about that, customer just came in the shop, so probably I have to edit the video a little bit. So like I said, don't put too much paste, otherwise next time you're gonna clean more. But if you put less than needed, the paste will dry much quicker. So it's a try and error. Now we got the paste. We're gonna put the cooler and we're gonna move it a little bit left to right in order for the paste to get even. And after that we're gonna tie the screws. Like this. Now we're gonna put back the fan. And the screw, of course. We have to connect it, don't forget, because I do this all the time. Now we have to put the cables back. Like this. Now we have everything plugged in. The only thing we gotta do is just put the battery. Be careful when you plug it in, not to break something. Now we have to put the screws. Let me brush the back cover a little bit. Now when you're putting back the back cover, always start with the place where the USBs are. This way you can align it much easier and it will fit and you won't break anything. Just push like this. Like this. Pretty much that's the whole procedure. Now I have to put back the screws, which is the annoying part. Nothing hard on this one, just a straightforward job. So if you have this model, that's the way you can replace the thermal paste. You can use the video for replacing hard drive, adding memory, and so Let's power on the laptop. We have to test it. I'm gonna clean the laptop a little bit on the outside. Here we have a picture, and the Windows is loading. We've got personal information, so yeah, pretty much that's the whole video. I hope you like it. Bye bye for now.